Hi guys, today I'm going to explain 5 selection methods in the ArcGIS. Actually, when you go to select some features, normally we just select uh, our features, but we can see different selection methods in the ArcGIS. Today I'm going to explain these uh, methods under this selection tool. First one is select by rectangle. Uh, if I want to select this whole area, I can draw like that rectangle. This is first selection method. Second one is the select by the polygon. uh, if I want to demarcate my specific area, I can use this uh, polygon selection method like that. Then this my specified area has selected. Third one is select by lasso. In that case, we can just like that. This is also one of the like polygon method. It also one of the selection method. We can use it as our preferences. uh, Fourth one is circle. We can select our data as a circle like that. This method will highly we can highly recommend for the point selections actually. uh, Last one is the select by lines. Like that we can draw a line. It will select the features which has crossed by this our selected line. uh, okay, if anyone don't know how to unselect these selections, you want to go to select, use this clear selected features tool. Click on that tool, then it will disappear, it will unselect. Okay, I will stop my video. If you have any problems, you can put a comment in my comment section. uh, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi there. Today I'm going to explain how to assign shortcut keys in the ArcGIS. In my previous video, that means if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see I have done lot of videos, lot of tutorials uh, about ArcGIS. In my previous video, that one actually keyboard shortcut in ArcGIS. I have completed that video. In that video, I have explained how to use a default keyboard shortcut keys in the ArcGIS. That means that shortcut keys they have built in the ArcGIS as a default. But today, what I am going to do is uh, I'm going to explain how to assign our own shortcut keys in the ArcGIS. Otherwise, I have done many more videos. You can come to my channel and you can learn many more things from basic. Actually, this video series will extend up to advanced level. Now I have completed around 50 videos. You can see. Okay, I will explain how to assign shortcut keys in the ArcGIS in your way. Uh, Actually, when we are using many more shortcut keys in the Windows, in the Word, PowerPoint, Excel. It's very easy to do our works. It will take less amount time. It will consume less amount time. Actually, let's see how to do it. Go to customize mode. Then they will give keyboard option. In that case, you can select your command area here. Oh, oh. Okay, let's think. Now you want to add a command, add a shortcut key for add data tool. You don't want find here and there. Just you press your shortcut key, then you can see add data dialog box. Uh, Here I'm going to type add data. Then it will appear all of the categories and that add data. I'm going to select file. Under that file, I can see add data. Select that. commands, then you want to give you a shortcut. I will give control W, then you want to assign it. Okay, then press control W, then it will add. That's how it's working. Actually it's very easy. You can use your own shortcut keys to easy your work. I will do it again. Okay, I will do it for again to another thing. Actually I will add shortcut for this model builder. Go to customize, then customize model. You want to click on click keyboard. Here you want type, you want to add shortcut for model. I will give model, and normally that model builder tool is uh, listed, has listed under toolbox. Therefore give toolbox, then model builder, then you want to give your shortcut. Very easy. Then assign, close, then you want to press your shortcut, then it will add. Like that you can put that shortcut keys for different things. I will show keyboard and analysis, 3D analysis tool. These all tools have provided. If you go to the below part, data frames, we can add data frames very easily with you with these options. I think editing, if I want edit tool, edit, finish sketches, everything they have provided. You can use that option to that method to start editing, stop editing, everything is there. You can create, you can assign your shortcut keys for everything actually. That's, you can see it if you click at find route, stop road, this network analysis tool, or everything is there. You can create your shortcut keys for uh, all of the tools in the ArcGIS. Okay, uh, I will stop my video. If you have any problems, any clarification, you can easily go to my video description. You can put a comment in description. Then I will explain. I will give solutions for you. Uh, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like, share. Again, if you have any problems, you can put a comment in my comment section. And also if you have any request for your videos, you can put a comment. I will explain, I will do it, I will give priority for your videos. Otherwise, if you didn't follow my videos, you can go to my channel. I will put my link in the video description. You can go to, and you can see my videos. Actually I have done lot of videos, data downloading, many more data downloading methods, uh, data downloading for all of the countries, and also updated data, how to download GIS, everything. uh, okay, I will stop. If you have problems, you can put a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, join with us. Thank you. Hi guys, today I'm going to explain very easy method to clip your images. Actually it will take only 10 less than 10 seconds. Let's see how to do it. Very first, you want to that image, and you want to use a specific area to specific vector layer to uh, clip your area. Actually very first I want to select that area. Then you want to go to image analysis, you want to select that image, then you want to click on that clip tool, then it will clip like that. This is your clip your particular area. I think it takes only less than, it has taken only less than 10 seconds. It's very easy method. You can use it more than using this tool. It will take some time, and it will sometimes give some errors also. This is very easy method to clip actually, but this is only for the images, raster layers. Okay, uh, I will stop my video. Thank you. If you have any problems, you can put a comment in my comment section, and also subscribe my channel. You can then you can click on my bell icon, then you can access to my videos when I upload without missing any videos. I have completed my I have done around 40 tutorials on GIS. You can join with me. I will explain everything one of uh, everything about the GIS from beginning, from basic level. I have explained most of the thing about this uh, interface of this GIS, basic things actually. In my previous video I am going to explain about the how to use this, how to use this all of these tools in the ArcGIS, and also different analysis by using this GIS. This is beginning of this tutorial series. Thank you.